Shadow eating ice cream. Okay, Cappy's turn. Cappy! She got a whole mouthful. Shadow turn. Look at that face. Look at that face. Her got ice cream on her face. Okay, Cappy, I know. Sit. Sit. Oh, Cappy likes ice cream. Can't have... Oh. Alright. Shadow's got better manners than you, Cappy. Yes, I know. No. Lick it. We're gonna lick it. There you go. Turkey butt. You gotta lick it. No, you gotta lick it. Gotta lick it. Lick it. You gotta lick it. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. Cappy, have manners and lick it. Shut up and get it. Shut up and get it. There you go. Yeah, good girl. Cappy. Pig. Here, lick it. Come lick it. There you go. There you go. Licking it. Good girl. Like ice cream. Look at that tail. Woo, look at that tail going. Look at that tail going. Shadow some more. Ah, Shadow, you gotta have manners. There you go. Lick it. Licking. Just a minute, Cappy. Just a minute. Shadow getting her licking. There you go. Ice cream. We like ice cream. Yes, we like ice cream. Ah. Good try. Yummy. I like ice cream. Oh, she wants some ice cream. Ah, bite a little bit. Bite a little bit. Okay. You got a little bit. Now you can have a little bit. Okay. We're done. It's all gone. Cappy got the last. She got the end. Cappy got the end. It's all gone. It's all gone. You guys ate all the ice cream. That was good, huh? That was good? Was that good? Is that good, Shadow? Is that ice cream good, huh? Is that good? Oh, yes, I know. It was good. It was good, huh? It was good. Cappy?